Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to buy heroes in Honor of Kings. To buy heroes in Honor of Kings, launch the game open on your mobile device first. From the main lobby screen, tap on the shop icon at the top left. Inside the shop tab, tap on Heroes on the left. You will see a list of all available heroes. Scroll through the list of heroes and find a specific hero that you want. Select the hero to open up their profile. You will see infos like skills, price, and skins. Tap the purchase button at the bottom and you can purchase the hero using gold coins, vouchers and tokens, event coupons, etc. Tap the buy button or the price displayed at the bottom, but make sure that you have enough currencies that you are trying to use. Confirm your choice and your hero will be added to your account. And that's how you easily purchase heroes in Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.